So today's video is not just about the S197 Mustangs. It's about any car with the plastic siding, the dreaded fading plastic that's on a lot of vehicles, the mirrors, trim parts like that, door handles. And these things get chalky and white, and you can condition them with like Meguiar's black treatment, which I really like. But if you want to get it to look like this, there's one easy step. Buy a heat gun, one of the most valuable tools in the toolbox. 25 bucks, Harbor Freight. Watch this. Just like painting, what it does, it reconditions the plastic. And you're just heating up the top there. Watch for any stripes you might have. And then, you know, move it around, because there's little divots in the plastic, and you can get that to look like that. And there you go, and you'll get a little smoke from the plastic, but all you're really doing is melting the top of the plastic just slightly so it converts into a little bit wet. You could do it indoors or outdoors. I'd prefer outdoors. And let it cool, and you can wipe it down right after that. And now I'm going to do this piece of trim. There you go, just like that. Still a little wet, but looks good.